number to people to call. I send address, house address. I've never done that. I will not even do that.
Editorial want finally pay. Editorial want pay, but Piston say she no collect naira. I hope una dey hear me. Hey, my beautiful people, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Yes, a lot of updates come, a lot of updates a day. First of all, may I start with when something when editorial, right? Later we can't find out say she can't delete her. Okay, for me, many of us we say she don't throw one step, at least. Later now, our sister Choice TV, as she can't they make video last night, then she can't they make video last night. She can't call Piston. I want maybe we listen to wetin Piston talk.
God bless you all. Please, I'm here to just say something because I hear when everybody is saying, please say.
Hold on, please. Let me ask you the name. Start again.
Okay, so when they say that I send number to people to call, I send address, house address. I've never done that. I will not even do that. I don't even plan to do that because I know if you do that, even though the person take you to anywhere, it will win you because it's not good to send someone's number without permission and send somebody's address for anybody. I've never done that, so I don't know where that one is coming from. If someone want to lie on top of my head, let that lie a clean lie, not that one. I've never. So if I told the person that called and said I'm the one that sent a number to the person and house address, let her prove the person that say and the person.
I tell you here, Piston say she no send your number, your address, my sister Editorial. Wetin Piston talk, she say she no send her and she no fit try am. Before she go send her, she must take permission. If your block sister, before she go send your block sister phone number, she dey take permission for his sister. Now wetin she talk, okay? She say make you no fear, make you no panic, say she no share your number out. Okay, let's go to the second one. My people, may we play this one before
of Editorial, and people never sleep. I like a precaution. Just a quick one. I just saw Editorial's community where she has agreed to pay Piston, but there is a little bit of argument there. Piston wanted it in dollar, but she said she wants to pay in naira. I will say Piston should collect it in naira. Calculate it. How much in naira? Piston collect it in naira.
My people, I hope I don't play the two part for now. Yes, now the new update with that Editorial right for her community. She say make Piston. That is, she asked Piston question. Say make she want pay her with naira. Then Piston say she no collect naira. No be naira. Now you call her our Nigerian money. No be naira. They say they pay for YouTube. Say na dollar. I wait till Piston talk. But many of us, including me, including Sis Choice TV, she say make Piston collect with naira. Initial plan of Piston, now this money will they help you, they drag. If you can't they do now say, I no collect naira. And a naira she tell they pay you before. I been a dollar she tell they pay you before. Now naira, remember say if you can't they do like this now, people when they can't they fight for you, And if you don't want collect naira, my sister will know say that your hand is still there. Collect your money and enter house. As you say, you don't ever talk in matter again. Once you collect your money, let it die like that. You see the first one, when you take come out, many people, they attack you. But you see this one now, everybody, they join you. Not say they join you, say they don't like Editorial. Now the truth, now they stand. They know say Editorial want to oppress you. Editorial don't want to pay your money. That is why many of us, we say, no, she must pay you that money because you work to create a content. It's not an easy thing. You understand? But now, not for anybody. I not say, now dollar. Now you want to have to collect your money with your dollar. You already put your go everything, your account. Now you by yourself they collect your dollar. But this is way the Editorial hand now. Collect her, and Editorial ask you one thing for her community. She said, I still they hold you anything apart from this one. She just need your yes or no. Because make the words here and say, she not they hold you again for that her community. Now it make she bring her come out because the thing already did the outside. And remember, no be you they fight Editorial Piston. Now people when they watch, people when they see say she want to try oppress you, she want try no who are you. Now the people they fight Editorial, not you. But if you can't do body, or maybe you can't listen to site off for silent play, that is for secret place, then people when they fight for you now, they say collect money, so you don't collect money, you are your own, my beautiful sister. Please, as everybody just join you now, say make Editorial pay you your money, and Editorial realize say she needs to pay. Collect things and collect your money and enter house. Don't let the table turn and fix you. Please, okay? Please respect your mother. Respect your mother picks and respect your mother speaks. You say na your mother, say your mother na prayer warrior, your mother, people like that, they will tell you say leave it for God. For now, when God don fight am for you, say you must collect your money, use people to fight am for you. Collect your money and enter house. Anything editorial, no talk am. Anything editorial, no bring am come out again. Let everything go. Okay? Whether you know editorial secret, o remember say you go still start life. Remember say you still marry. Remember say you still get your own secret. Those people, when you go say make you open up your editorial secret, o tomorrow they fit still use am against you. Be very careful. This person no be YouTuber. Hey, I can talk about it. Be very careful. As far as say no be your sister, no be your mother, the same father, the same mother, the same. Be very careful. Your sister say can even leak your secret. Maybe if you come see the kind of money when they catch out, anything can happen nowadays. Be very careful. Be very, very careful. Now what I want to tell you, my beautiful sister Editorial, all of us, including me, I like you. Me, I like you. I love you. Okay? As far as you are a child of God, I love you. My own is, may you try pay peace storm. May peace reign. Whether I see the talk, now I see the talk. Now you generate all those things. As peace contact you, a case next time, something like this happens. Somebody when they fight you, suddenly just hide a video. Two person went two of the yes, now still your sister as you talk, say this person are your best cousin. That me, I not deny am. But when you come to say person when that person and that person they fight you, they don't stop, they not call they fight you again. Then you know by yourself, say this person you are owing her. Then she come drag you. Immediately, you get name to protect. You get name to secure. You, in fact, a lot of your love, people when really genuine love you, they vet for you for this thing. They see her like say you want to oppress this innocent girl. Not they not like you. Not they not send you. Not they not say okay, they try to. But if this one bat money, you want try to silence pigs. Please, my beautiful sister. Anything like this, I pray it will never come out again. Anything like this come out, not do am again. I use God beg you. I still dey talk to myself. Something like this occur to me, I will try tackle it inside house. But if I say still bring am come out when I try to tackle it, then people still know say it's not my fault. Okay? As you just say, what can you do? Wetin you go do? You do live stream, it no make sense. You draw video. Sorry if I tell you say it no make sense, it go vex you. You make video, it no make sense. Somebody when it dash you. You dey look at like say wetin e do for you. I beg. And they appreciate people. Okay? I know no matter what, if you feel big, like Dangote today. If Dangote see person when give am 1 cent, you buy am flower, you go appreciate your gift. Always appreciate, okay? Not let anything when they talk maybe come true. Because if you see comment section, oh, Nana, I know say no. You not do one way, okay? My people, Editorial don't agree. Go her community tag. Editorial say she go pay Piston with Naira. Me una tell Piston make she collect with Naira. If Piston don't want collect with Naira, Editorial said that for me. I beg go. Me tomorrow call them that they will say Nigeria. I just a joke go. But Piston, try collect money and make peace, not war. Okay? Try collect money, make peace, not war. Wetin Editorial write for her community tag, my people, I go leave am now, still read am by una sef. For me, na peace I dey. I no dey for anyone. I just dey make peace reign. You understand? Make Piston collect money. Editorial, the thing they pay Editorial say, Piston don use am collect a lot of money when even pass the money when she dey owe her. My sister, na you cause am. I wish as Piston, he just ask you that money, you just give am. Piston if you not get that power to fit collect money, if you not even get opportunity to collect money, but you open the door of blessing, of breakthrough, of success for her. That's why she grabbed me. I say, Peace is using my name to collect money and pity from people. Pity from people. She said, this is the reason why I initially block her. This is the reason when she initially block her. Now pronounce about herself. She said she must collect the money in dollar. Piston collect sense to collect brain. Since I do not have dollar, I requested she collect Naira. I want to be sure I'm not owing her. I have asked her a million times before I send this money. Am I owing you any other thing? And this is what she said. Please want to continue using my name to gain pity and cash out. My sister, now you cause am. Please want use your name to take cash out. Now you cause am, now you give her that power. I wish as he contact you. Please when they tell you now say, I don't want to collect it in Naira. I wish as he contact you the first time you just pay am. If I not fit, they follow you, they drag now. I don't want to collect with Naira. And now you push and make people get pity for her. When people come, they say, you know good, you want to press her. You see? Now they say, may we react before it's too late. Okay? Act fast before it's too late. Please now collect with Naira. I wish Editorial give you with Naira. I believe say you for not come outside. Collect am, I beg. Collect am, not let the table turn against you. Please, please, and please, and please. Okay, please, nobody dey pray for nobody dey pray for trouble. Trouble no good. Me I tell you, trouble no good. You editorial una be our own. We no hear say something, God forbid, e go pain us, e go break our hearts. Please, editorial na our own, you na our own. No look at say majority just dey your side now. You want no, don't do it. That one not good at all. Please stop. Collect your money, okay, and enter house and face your content. My beautiful sister, I'll send this last message to you. I don't know whether you go take many of your love, you break their heart. Try and do a video of, appreciate them, or tell them may they forgive you, or if not something you still write, tell them, because many people they say editorial disappointment, editorial. Forget few people when you get when you get thousands. Whether na few people, now if na one person your subscriber. I like Abby and family for that thing when she do. She come aside, one person say I dey unblock. He say no, I beg no subscribe. One subscriber na something to her. Na so person they do. Editorial, one subscriber na something to you too. Okay, do a video and appreciate all those people, both who give you gift. When you use annoyance state up to say how much 50,000, make a video and apologize to that lady, because not be only that lady. People when they will give to a girl, people when they will try to reach out to you, they say hey, that ungrateful. No, it's not good. Try and read and do a video or reach out to that lady. Apologize that vex na annoyance. As you hear her say she talking for online, the thing break you down, it make you feel bad, make she forgive you. Those things na wetin I go tell you. I beg my people, we love both of them. Editorial, please don't. I talk about somebody, not me say I don't like you as a human being. You know me say I feel still wrong tomorrow. Now still correct me. Oh, anybody feel wrong tomorrow will correct her. You know me say we hate that person. Maybe we not try to understand this. Maybe reaction China. You know me say he hates that person. We love them as a human being. We don't hate them. Let love lead, not hate. Okay, I just say as choice now. As editorial just announced, and I say Choice TV say let this case end. Her motive was editorial pay this girl money. Everything once editorial pay her, Choice not get anything against editorial. Any of us when we do react to the issue, we don't get anything against editorial. UK peace. We just need peace for them. Okay, this one get to talk. Tell you now. Please do it to join this beautiful family. We need peace. We need peace. We don't need oppression. Okay, we don't like bringing somebody down. Me, I don't like oppression. Who are you? I don't like that. I don't like bringing somebody down because you want to climb. No, we need peace. Okay, I love you now. Okay, I celebrate with now. See, bring and if editorial finally pay. Editorial say want pay with Naira, and Naira pick say na dollar, $1, babe. Hey,